Hello, good people. I am here with the Visionaries, and I'm getting ready to turn around the camera so they can say what they want to say before they begin their hour of coding here at the Google headquarters. Beginning first with Quentin Cherry. How are you, sir?
Good. So you guys know this is quite exciting.
He ready?
Subscribe to Vision.
And what's your YouTube channel?
Cherry Pepper Stop Motion. So come to my YouTube channel and subscribe.
And if you didn't know, this is the grand champion of the state of Illinois video filmmaking for animation. Next up, we have old Charlie Crehan. How you feeling?
I just found a new discovery.
Now we have Cheyenne O'Neal. She's getting her bedazzled headphones together. And now we have Aubrey. How you feeling, Aubrey? Are you excited? Are you ready to show off your coding skills? Get it. Get it. Dance donut party. Hey.
Stories about a girl who thinks she could save the whole wide world. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Adventure awaits. The universe is yours. Imagine it. Explore it. Design it. Build it. Achieve it. It's your journey. Live it at Visionaries.